So I'm bringing you something from Asteria hair today. I also have the edge holder downer. Edge holder downer. Santana! Hey, children. Because you said, and then you could just do it. You ain't out there singing and dancing every night.
Give it all honor to God, who is the head of my life.
I'll be out here dripping. I don't be slipping. You know, I like it when you do that human her. Well, hello, children. Hey, children. Hey, children. What's up, cousins? It's your girl, Mary Kay, coming to you with a slay.
Give it all honor to God, who is the head of my life.
I want to come to you all today with a humble slay. You see, you can humbly slay. I need y'all to know that I'll be humbly slaying. I be out here dripping. I don't be slipping. You know. What's up, y'all? I hope y'all are having a wonderful day as I am. I'm getting ready to do my hair. Oh my gosh, it's such a nice, pretty day out here. Y'all, North Carolina is so pretty. So I'm getting ready to go to work, you know, but I just wanted to come on and say good morning. Good morning, saints. Good morning, ain'ts. Good morning to everybody. Today, I'm bringing you some hair from Asteria.
Hold on, let me pull up what we doing.
Let me pull it up. Pull it up. Let me pull it up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Let me pull. Okay, so I'm bringing you something from Asteria hair today. I'm gonna just tell you about the hair, and then, you know, we're gonna go through the deets, and then I'm going to I'm gonna try to slay it. I'm gonna try. Oh, let me reapply my gloss. See, because
if you not gloss, you lost.
This is the HD Lace 5x5 Closure Body Wave in 24 inches. And I have 250% density, okay? Now, I like these 5x5 closures. Y'all know why. We've talked about this, students. Why does Professor K enjoy 5x5 closures? Yes. Professor K enjoys 5x5 closures because you don't have to slay it all the way from ear to ear, the lace, because you know the lace that come on it, it's a lot smaller than the frontal, so you don't gotta worry about plucking all the way if you gotta pluck, and then you get the part, the 5 inches apart on the way back, so you don't have a little baby part in the front, because Professor K said that baby part ignorant, and then she because you said, and then you could just do it, and then you could put your wig grip on, and then after you put your wig grip on, you just put the wig on, and I don't know if you're gonna lay it or not, but you might not have to even lay it, because you like the, because it's that's how you do with the closures. Exactly. I love closures because they're so much easier to lay than frontals, y'all. They just are, okay? Okay, y'all, so let's look at the wig. Package sauce. Let's see what's up in this box. Human hair. I like it when you do that human hair. I like it there. I like it when you do that human hair. I said I like it there. Yeah, I'm trying to open this box. Oh, gee. Honey, they said you're not finna get in this box unauthorized. Discover your unique beauty. So we've already discovered our unique beauty. So 2 very pretty wraps. I also have the edge holder downer. The edge holder downer. Edge holder downer. Santana! Now this when you laying your edges and stuff in your wigs, and you have to tie it down for about 5-10 minutes. That's what this is right there. Y'all know what time it is. What else is all up in this box? Wig cap, an elastic band that you can sew on the wig if you so choose to. I probably won't do that. And then a bag to keep your wig in. Yeah. You want to take care of this wig, honey. You don't want to just take them off and throw it down. Let's get into this wig. Undetectable lace. HD lace, skin melt, transparent, cap size small, hair density 250%, 5x5 closure. Y'all see that? Let's see here. Now, first, come on. Now, Honey, first things first, this is very soft. Come on, Asteria, this is really soft. Look at the waves, nice and bouncy, yes. Bounce with it, bounce with it. Witty, 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 bounce with it, bounce with it, witty, 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 bounce with it. Bounce with it, bounce with it, bounce, bounce. Y'all look a little bounce to it now. Come on, Asteria. Asteria. 3 combs and an adjustable strap. This is what the inside of the cap looks like. Let's look at this HD lace. This is the 5x5 closure, okay? This is this lace. It has been plucked along the hairline, y'all. The weight has been taken off of that front hairline so it'll look more natural. So you don't have to do a lot of work.
You ain't plucked a bit of this hairline. You don't do nothing but get to put it on and be cute, honey.
See, Asteria looking at you like, you ain't out there singing and dancing every night. You don't do nothing but get paid. Y'all remember when Eddie told Jimmy he don't do nothing but get paid? I said, now, after all the man done for you, you got... So this is the wig, y'all. It looks like it's a natural black. It's human hair. This body wave is so pretty. Let's just see, y'all. We're gonna see if I can flex it, okay? I just wanted to jump on first. Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Y'all, I got to show love to my subscriber of the day. Now, I ought to be ashamed of myself. Damn. Oh, you the bomb. Yeah, let's go ahead and play with this, y'all. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Asteria, yeah. Information will be in the description box. Okay. Alright, let's see if we can flex. Let's see if we can flex this. Hold on.
Hoping for another dawn. Now I'm looking everywhere for you, 'cause I need another dance. We need another chance. I'm waiting for a sign. Waiting for a sign. Hoping for another dawn. Now I'm looking everywhere for you, 'cause I need another dance. We need another chance. I'm waiting for. So